I'm going to show you in Mac how to install VirtualBox. Go to just go to Google, search for download VirtualBox. You get this one. Look for your operating system. In this case, I'm going to use Mac. So I'm going to go to OS X host. It's almost 1 GB file. It's getting downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you click show in folder or click open. Now click on this virtualbox.pkg. Continue. Keep the default install location. Put your Mac's password. This should be your Mac sign-on password actually, or an admin password. So it's almost installed. It's telling system extension blocked. So open security preferences and then system software from developer was blocked from loading. Click allow. So I'm going to tell keep. Let's try one more time. Continue, install. This time the installation was successful. Some of you may not get that specific error which I got actually. If you get, just go there and allow it. This completes your VirtualBox installation. Thank you. At the end, you can move the package into move to trash. You can close this window, and also you can go to Finder. If you see VirtualBox drive, you can eject it. Now if you search VirtualBox, you should see the VirtualBox, right? Okay, thank you.